I've been in film for years and years. I think you learn a lot of tricks for getting you into props. It's hard to compare this project to anything else because it's so bespoke. Most of the things that we're making just don't exist. And that's why we're here, because we can make it exist out of nothing.
Every film has its little thing, you know. In this particular film, there's some quite interesting practical props. Our team is exceptionally good at making weapons, cutlery, communications equipment, machines that bumble along.
It was sort of a natural progression, I suppose, for me. My background is building aspect on one side and then a designerly arty side on the other, and found the two coming together in a pretty happy mesh, which is props. The visual language of Hester's telescope was sort of binocular, military, something that is intricate, it's technical, things slide in and out. We had a bit of a room to improvise and sort of make the prop outside of the typical sort of arrangement.
Every day when you come to work, it feels like you're a kid again. I'm going to chop that, cut that, machine that, drill that, glue that, full speed, you know.
I think that's the fun bit for me anyway. Everything can have multiple influences and you can have good ideas, but you can always expand on them.
It's just like playing. By the end of the day, sometimes you just stand back and look and go, oh my God, look what we built today.
My name is Robbie Nairn.
My name's Terence Turner.
My name is Dave Irons, and I'm a prop maker on Mortal Engines.